turn the clothes up. Way past the phone, my homeboy turn up.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh, that's basketball, man.
Oh, he's gonna do it?
Hey, bro. They do the YouTube video.
Oh, do a YouTube video of your system.
Okay, cool.
You wanna give me a walk around real quick? What you got in here?
Yeah. Well, you got wood ceilings and wood floors. You got to look at the ceiling and the floor. So it ain't just the floor. You got to do the ceiling.
Really?
Yeah,
all right, let's go do it all. All right. Oh wow, I didn't even realize it until you said something. Look at that. Wow.
Wood ceiling.
Heck yeah. You don't see this every day. I'm glad I stopped by. Wow. And you did this? Custom work you did, or?
Yeah, custom work.
Okay.
Jerry Mills.
All right.
I did a lot myself.
Okay.
We got no radio. We got everything Bluetooth on the floor.
Okay, really? Can I see the subs in the trunk real quick? Man. Wow, that was awesome.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I'm glad I stopped by. Wow, what kind of rims are those? That is pretty. Woo. American, are these HDs or XFL? HDs on the Audiopipe 3 case. That 1 ohm, half full, 2 ohm. Where you? 1 ohm. How much battery power?
6 batteries.
6 batteries.
Got 200 here, 200 here, and 200 there.
Okay. What size alternator?
I think it's a 220, something like that.
Okay. Port, what's it tuned to?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Okay. This up with hydraulics. Airbags, I'm sorry. Wow, that is awesome.
All you got. Now we're gonna give you one gun, two gun, he shot
This is cool. I've never seen something like that. It's like clean everywhere.
Check this out, my nigga. What's up? There's a lot of niggas out here. They got a lot of shit to motherfuckers say, yeah. But when a nigga bring it to the niggas, they can't stand up for what they motherfucking saying. Nah, I ain't saying that shit. If you got something to say, my nigga, stand up for what you saying, my nigga.
Awards?
Yeah, I'm saying, like what I'm saying, then pump. Swing when you singing, we can throw them hands up. Notice, nigga, I don't give a fuck. If I said it, then I meant it. And what fuck? I don't wanna see the trigger man pump. Shit, you and your mans up, make it hard for niggas to say. I don't want it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.